Okay everyone, we are back in the kitchen. Now everybody loves to eat, but not all of us are blessed with chef-like cooking skills. Fortunately for us, we now have kitchen appliances to help us cook more efficiently and conveniently. Today, we have a checklist of must-have countertop appliances to help you prepare your meals. This is FAQs and Facts by AllHome, and I am your host, Leona. Alright, first up on our list is a rice cooker, a must-have for every Filipino home. Now, rice cookers have it down to a science. Using an exact rice to water ratio, it cooks your rice perfectly fluffy every time. Now, this particular model also comes with a steamer basket, so you can cook your favorite steamed dishes right in this very pot. Alright, next up on our list is the oven toaster. But don't be fooled by its name, it doesn't just work for bread. Did you know that you can roast vegetables and fish in this handy dandy toaster? Yup, it works just like a regular oven, just a tad bit smaller. Now this is also easy to clean and saves on electricity. Now, who wouldn't want this kitchen appliance at home? Now let's talk coffee. I personally can't start my day without it. A perfectly brewed cup definitely adds a pep to your step daily. Now, having your own coffee maker at home ensures that you make a brew to your liking. This is a nice compact one by Oster. Now let's talk electric kettles. If you still don't own one, now is the perfect time to get one. Electric kettles are more convenient and are a safer alternative when boiling water. No need for pots and pans. They shut off automatically, saving you time and energy. Another thing I like about it is instead of waiting for pasta water to boil, I boil it in an electric kettle, put it in the pot. Saves me gas as well. Contrary to popular belief, blenders are not just for smoothies. Did you know that you can make sauces, salad dressings, soups, and so much more in this handy dandy appliance? Yup. Use your imagination, be creative, because this blender, and it's a very beautiful one at that, can do so much more. It can go from sweet to savory. Lots and lots of options. A food processor, on the other hand, chops, grinds, and grates hard ingredients into smaller pieces. That's the difference between a blender and a food processor. A waffle maker is not an obvious choice for a must-have kitchen appliance, but hear me out. This particular one by Tough Mama is not just a waffle maker. It also makes sandwiches and donuts. Also, with a little bit of imagination and a little bit of oil, did you know that you can cook bacon here as well? That's right, this tool can do so much more. And if you're like me, we like multi-purpose appliances. I'm not one to play favorites, but if I had to choose, it would definitely be an air fryer. This appliance can grill, bake, fry, and roast almost anything. Best part, you can remove the detachable pieces, throw them in the sink for easy washing. It's convenient, and since you don't use a lot of oil, a healthier alternative as well. Another thing worth noting, look at this gorgeous red color. It certainly adds a pop to any kitchen. When it comes to choosing appliances for your home, make sure to consider your lifestyle and the space you have. Also, visit any AllHome store so that you can browse the wide variety of appliances available. Also, our AllHome staff will be ready and willing to help you for whatever questions you might have.
You can also visit our website at allhome.com.ph and use this voucher code to get $200 off on your order. Or you can also visit our Shopee and Lazada shops at AllHome Official. I hope you learned a thing or two. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AllHome's YouTube channel. We have prepared a lot of home tips for you and can't wait to share them. See you on our next video!